I'm gonna make a lovely, quick, little frozen-ish, fruity dessert. Welcome back. I've been reunited with my precious. Everything's all fixed. It's looking beautiful. Alright, this dessert, we've kind of made it before, but it's been more of a smoothie. I'm gonna try and just make the smoothie, but really thick. And I think it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. So I'm still kind of getting back into the flow of things. So we've got to grab our NutriBullet and only a few ingredients. It's going to be a pretty quick video, but it's going to be delicious. So we're just going to add in, got this 4-berry medley, add in a gang of that. Cool, I'll do the trick. And also we need some milk. Cool, I'm excited to see how this tastes actually. Add in some sugar. And boom. Jesus. It's definitely quite a challenge for the NutriBullet to do all this. Right, let's go. Let's see how it's going. I think we do need a little bit more liquid. Oh shit, there's like a giant lump of frozen berries still in the middle, so we need to keep going. I'll add a little bit of milk in there. Let's try and blast this last little bit. Cool. I think I should have done the trick. Lovely, let's serve it up. And I've had a really good idea of what is the final addition to this. Right, hold on 1 second.
The chicken is back.
Gonna grab a little bit of mint, bit of fresh mint. From our pretty unruly, this is pretty much the only thing we have from our garden that we can actually pick that we can eat. And then boom, look at that shit. Fucking brilliant. Oh, forgot about. Let's let the wench try some, see what she thinks.
The wench.
There you go.
Oh, it's in...
Yeah, you're welcome. It looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks really good.
I've already tried it, so. It's like a really nice little sorbet, isn't it? This whole thing takes like less than 5 minutes to make yourself a quick little dessert. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. I appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.